Hello guys, it's Martin here from a lovely sunny Blackpool Automart. Look what we've got here. A stunning looking 2017 BMW X4 M Sport Automatic. It's 2017, just arrived in stock today. I don't think it's going to be here much too long, to be quite honest with you. It's got the gloss black alloy wheels. There's no curbing or any marks on any of them. It certainly has been looked after, this vehicle, I must admit. It's just a lovely looking car. It's literally been in stock a couple of hours. It's got the electric tailgate, or it did have. Nice decent sized boot. It's got the electric closet switch. Can't see this car being here too long, to be quite honest with you. It's a lovely car. It's the xDrive, which means it's the 4-wheel drive, 3 litre. It's got memory seats, it's got full leather seats, cruise control, auto lights, auto wipers, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors that fold in. See my ugly mush then. Right, let's jump in the car, see what it's got. Okay, we'll start her up with the push button start and turn the music down. It's due a service in 14,000 miles. It's done 33, as you can see, 33,739 miles. It's got paddle change. If you want to convert this car into a manual, you can use the paddle change. It's got service history, 2 keys. Just go into the service history on here. Go into my vehicle. Vehicle status. Move it across. Service requirements. All green. Look at the service history from BMW this. There you go, one at 3 miles and one at 25,000. So we'll be servicing this car as well in our Honda dealer just across the road. That's our flagship Honda dealership. We're part of a 10 dealership network. We've got 4 Honda dealers, 2 Seat dealers, and we've got 4 Automart dealers as well. There's the navigation in the car, nice big navigation map. It's got heated seats as well, and like I said to you, it's got cruise control and paddle change if you want to drive the car in manual mode. Nice big armrest in the middle here with all your bits and bobs in there, your auxiliary and your Bluetooth, sorry, a USB port for your phone. Drinks holder there. She is an automatic, as you're probably aware of. It's got a couple of 3 different drive modes: Sport, Eco, Pro for the motorway, and the Sport just makes it hanging gear a bit longer, so it feels a bit punchier. Different drive modes. I've got the car running at the moment actually. I'll just turn it off. Okay, so there you go, that's the X4 M Sport. Like I say, she's just into stock. It will create a lot of interest, this car. They always do. It's in a very good colour, being white. It does look very well. If you want to go on our website to look at this car, you might be on our website now looking at it. You can reserve this car with just £100 deposit. It's totally refundable if you come and look at the car and it's not what you want, and it's only £100. So if you want to reserve the car, if you go to coxmotorgroup.com, or you can ring us at the branch here and we can do it over the phone for you. We can give you finance numbers, part exchange valuation if you require that. You can ring us on 01253 600 900. It's option 4 for Automart. Just let us know what you want to do. If you want any more images or any more videos of the car, by all means give us a bell and let us know what you want to do. But reserving this car, if you do fancy this car, I'd get my name on it if I was you. It's literally just £100, and it is subject to you viewing it, subject to you driving it, making sure you're happy with the car. And if you're not, for whatever reason, like I said earlier, we just refund you your deposit, no questions asked. So we can't be much fairer than that, to be honest. Anyway, that's my presentation on the BMW X4 xDrive 3 litre diesel auto M Sport. Say that with someone else's teeth in. Just give us a call if you want any more information. My name's Martin, I'm the sales manager. It's been my pleasure bringing you this vehicle today. If you want any more information, like I said, ring us on 01253 600 900. If you want finance figures, if you want your car value in, whatever you may want, give us a call. We're open 7 days a week. Thanks for viewing my video. Hopefully it's been informative for you. Take care, guys, and stay safe.